Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today I am doing another cooking video for you guys. The last time I actually did a Sudanese food called food. So this time I'm gonna switch it up and I'm going to do an Ethiopian food called Doro Wat. So for those of you guys that don't know, Doro Wat is basically a really spicy chicken and like stew mixture. Doro Wat takes a long time to make. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So for this recipe, you are going to need about one whole chicken chopped. I'm actually just using chicken thighs and chicken legs because those are my favorite pieces. You're gonna need 15 onions. You need a lot of onions for this recipe, but that is what makes it taste really good. Kibe, which is Ethiopian butter. Berbere, which is an Ethiopian red spice made out of chili. Oil, salt, eggs, garlic. So to start off, I'm gonna wash my chicken in water. I'm gonna clean it with lemons and some salt. And I'm gonna make sure that I get it nice and clean. I couldn't do this on camera because one of my hands is holding the camera. So just make sure you wash the chicken really good. So next I'm gonna take the onions and put them in the pan. I don't have anything in the pan right now. I'm just gonna cook them on medium heat until they start to sort of dry out and stick to the bottom of the pan. So about 15 minutes or so. Now I'm just gonna add some oil. I'm adding a little bit over 1 cup of oil, about enough to cover it, and then I'm gonna let this cook on low heat for 20 minutes. I'm gonna continue to stir this every couple of minutes just to make sure that it doesn't stick on the bottom or try to burn or anything. Now I'm ready for my spices, so I'm gonna add some salt. That's gonna further bring out that onion flavor. I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of garlic. And then the most important spice, berbere, I'm gonna add about 7 tablespoons of berbere, which sounds like a lot, but we're actually gonna cook this for 1 hour. I find that the longer you let it cook, the less spicy, which for me is great because I don't like spicy food. So yeah, it's less spicy and it even tastes better. So I'm gonna let this cook for 1 hour. I'm gonna stir it every couple of minutes and I will be back to show you guys how it looks. All right, I'm gonna take the lid off here. Yum, yum, yum. The smell of berbere cooking smells so delicious. I added a little bit of water off camera, sorry. Just adding a little bit of Ethiopian butter. I'm gonna use about 5 teaspoons of kibe, and I'm just gonna let this cook for about 20 more minutes. And now I'm just gonna prepare my chicken. So I'm basically just taking this knife and I'm making holes inside the chicken or stabbing the chicken because I want that delicious flavorful sauce to go inside the chicken. You want every single bite to just be like bursting with that flavor. So I'm literally just stabbing all of the chicken pieces. Now I'm gonna add my chicken pieces to the sauce and mix it together, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of water, like 1 cup of water, and let that cook for about 40 minutes or until the chicken starts to fall off of the bone. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to boil some eggs. So I'm just using 4 eggs today. You can use more if you want. And then I'm gonna prepare them the same way as the chicken. So I'm going to make holes in them with my knife because I want that delicious sauce to go inside of the eggs too. So now the chicken is starting to fall off the bone. It looks so tender. It smells so delicious. And then I will add the eggs. I'm just gonna taste it and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and also some Ethiopian butter or kibe, and I'm just gonna let that cook for about 15 more minutes. And this is the end result. You can see the chicken is coated in this delicious sauce made out of red onions and Ethiopian spices. I promise you, it's gonna be one of the best tasting chicken dishes that you've ever had. Right now, I'm gonna put it on a plate and we're going to have my husband taste it and see what he thinks. Here's the moment of truth.
We'll see.
If Elias thinks it's good.
It looks good.
All right, try it.
It looks good, yeah, let me try.
This is his favorite food, so he has high standards.
Oh, wow. That's so good. I like it.
That's really good. I like it.
Me too. See? So delicious.
Oh my god.
I'm serious.
Oh, chicken is so
delicious.
good.
Good night.
Doro Wat.